Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is, what it's used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this product. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Solutions Pro glue trays are hassle-free, non-toxic traps used to capture and control crawling pests, primarily rats and mice, but they can also be used to control roaches, spiders, and other insects. The trap comes pre-baited with a peanut butter scent attractant that lures unsuspecting rodents. These glue trays are perfect for people wanting to control pests where the use of pesticides may be prohibited, such as medical treatment areas or food prep areas. These are also great for monitoring for pest activity after a pesticide treatment. Before using the glue trays, be sure to wear gloves. Wearing gloves anytime you handle the glue trays is important to avoid leaving any human scent that rodents will avoid. Glue traps work best when placed close to pest activity, so before opening the package, conduct an inspection throughout your home. Look for signs like grease marks along the wall, rodent droppings, or gnaw marks on furniture to determine where your rodents are traveling. Crawling insects come indoors looking for food and shelter year-round. Look for common entry points like cracks in doors, around damaged window screens, or garage door openings. Also inspect appliances and electronics, as certain insects will tend to cluster around heat sources. Solutions Pro glue trays come 2 per package and are ready to use once the package is opened. Simply pull the trays apart and place them where you've noted high pest activity. Place them along the walls close to entry points, like doors. The glue tray's flat design even allows it to be placed underneath furniture for more discreet trapping. While the glue trays are made with a non-toxic glue, they are very sticky, so place your traps out of reach of children or pets. With proper placement, you'll find 1 or more pests stuck to your glue tray within a few days. If it's been a week and you've caught nothing, change your trap placement. If you or a child or pet get stuck on the glue tray, you can use vegetable oil to loosen the stickiness. Pro glue trays are non-lethal traps. While they are great for catching and monitoring for multiple pests, they don't immediately kill pests that get stuck on these trays. With regular inspection, you may find living pests trapped on these trays. If you're looking for another method of eliminating rodents, use Easy Set snap traps. These snap traps are easy to handle and quick to use, and they're made with durable plastic and steel. To use, bait the trap's trigger plate and simply pull back on the upright bar until the trap locks into place. Then set the trap against the wall near rodent activity. When set properly, any rodent that triggers the snap trap will be killed instantly. If you're looking to prevent insects from infesting your home, use Reclaim IT. Reclaim is a liquid insecticide concentrate that controls many pests, including roaches, beetles, and other crawling insects. Reclaim IT can be used indoors and outdoors as a barrier spray around the home or structure, and treated areas are safe once it dries. Use a pump sprayer to treat areas like around doors, around windows, and where plumbing penetrates the wall. Indoors, you can apply Reclaim IT to your baseboards and cracks and crevices. Shop for Pro glue trays on our site or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.